Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact file you want to share. Choose JPG, PNG, or GIF and create a web-optimized copy so load times are fast. Once done, decide where to host it: cloud storage, a dedicated image host, or your own server. Make sure sharing is set to public or link access. Now upload the optimized file and wait for completion. After upload, locate the file entry and use the Services option to get a direct or shareable link. You now turn the uploaded file into a usable link. If the host provides a direct URL, copy it and confirm it ends with JPG, PNG, or GIF for easier embedding. If the host gives a preview page link, use the raw file view or convert to a direct file URL. Some services use a small tweak in the path. Once you have a candidate link, shorten if needed, and then test it in a private browser tab so you can confirm the image loads without redirects or login prompts. Finish by sharing that direct URL with your recipients or embedding it where supported. You can paste it in chat, email, or use an image tag on platforms that accept HTML. Make sure to explain if it's a large file or time-limited link. If someone can't view the picture, check sharing permissions, hot link protection, and whether the URL points to a preview page instead of the raw file. If problems persist, re-upload, regenerate the link, or attach the image directly as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.